You need to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. You're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two ways to do this, and it depends on what exactly you wish to attain here. So the first thing we want to do to cancel an invoice, on the left-hand side, we want to go to our sales, and we're going to go down to invoices, and here you can see a list of all of your invoices. Okay, so once you can see this list, you're going to go ahead and click on the invoice that you would like to cancel. Now, there are a few ways you can do this, okay? Obviously, if you want to write it off, this means that it'll still stay within your books and it'll become an expense. Here, the three dots, you can see it says void, and here we have delete. Okay, now whichever one you click, if you click on void, you're going to have to jot down a reason as to why you're voiding this invoice, and then if you're deleting, it will not ask you to jot down a reason. And the reason for this is because within Zoho Books, if you're voiding an invoice, it cancels the invoice without actually removing it from your system. It'll keep it for any audit trails, it'll exclude it from reports, and it'll preserve the invoice number sequence if you would like to continue to keep that. It's ideal for any corrections that you'd like to make. And now, on the other hand, when you are deleting an invoice permanently, it erases the record from your system. It disrupts the sequence of your invoices, and it totally removes it from all records. It's almost as if it has not happened at all. This is not really recommended for business practice unless it's absolutely necessary. Voiding really is the better option because it maintains all of your data integrity and it provides an audit trail. Whereas when you delete it, it will be removed completely. So this is why we would rather void it. So go ahead and click on void and give yourself a reason, and then click on void it. It will not be here anymore.